The meeting was attended by myself and Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma and Waipetan, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Nagaland, and Sri T.R. Zeliang, leader of NPF. The following matters were deliberated and decided during our meeting. 1. A committee to look into the withdrawal of the Armed Forces Special Power Act, ASPA, in Nagaland will be instituted. This will be chaired by the Additional Secretary, Northeast Home Ministry, and will include the Chief Secretary and DGP of Nagaland Police. Other members that will be included are IGR North and representative of the CRPF. The committee will submit its report within 45 days, and withdrawal of disturbed area ASPA from Nagaland will be based on the recommendation of the committee. 2. A court of inquiry will initiate disciplinary proceedings against the Army unit and Army personnel who are directly involved in the outing incident, and action will be taken immediately on the basis of fair inquiry. The identified persons who will face the inquiry will be placed under suspension with immediate effect. 3. The state government will provide government jobs to the next of kin of the deceased. To initiate this process, the Deputy Commissioner and the Superintendent of Police of Mon District will carry out necessary procedures in consultation with the concerned village council, and government job will be given on compassionate ground on the basis of the eligibility. The Nagaland delegations impressed upon the Union Home Minister to replace the Assam Rifles unit in Mon with immediate effect. 4. The undersigned is grateful to the Union Home Minister, Sri Amit Shah ji, for taking the matter with utmost seriousness, and appreciate the Government of India for taking the required steps to ensure justice and also for positively responding to the voice of the people. 5th, the state government appeals to all sections to remain calm and to continue to maintain a peaceful atmosphere in the state. The democratic and peaceful nature of the civil society groups, tribal hosts, and mass-based organizations in our collective quest for justice and truth, and has been well received and has created a positive image of the Naga people to the rest of the global community. Thank you. Any specific question to ask? Otherwise, the press release will be that much. Copy will be given to you. That's all, I think. Thank you.
One question. What we heard was a very good news. We are very happy for that. But we have a source telling us following a meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah, along with the counterpart Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa, along with political leaders. We have a source telling us that Amit Shah will be looking into removal of ASPA, but it will be on partial removal of ASPA. So we want to know if it's going to be partial removal or complete removal of ASPA.
As the press release stated, the committee, their recommendation will start lifting where it is recommended, and not only in Nagaland, but in the whole of northeastern states. And I'm sure they will do a commendable job, because we're constantly in touch with MHA and also Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma.
And regarding the point number 3, providing jobs next to the teams of those victims,
Yes.
since they have pledged council resolution against accepting only such kind of offer, so has been any change in that?
No, you are aware that the compensation money also, all of them had received. And the job we had offered, not in the central government, but the state government will give them job. And so we are directing Deputy Commissioner Moon and SP to contact them, and according to their eligibility, they'll be given job with, so waiting a week from now. Once the office is open, and it is already on the job.
Regarding point number 2, the Court of Inquiry, so how is it going to be different from SIT, that which you have already instituted?
The Army.
The Court of Inquiry, which the state government only has SIT.
Yes.
So the Court of Inquiry, which is, what is going to be the difference between the Court of Inquiry and SIT?
No, I don't know how they will do, but they are very serious, and they have to look into the report. Otherwise, I cannot comment. I cannot comment before the inquiry report comes.
Who will conduct this court of inquiry? Will it be the union government or state government?
There is one inquiry from the Army side, and one is the state SIT.
And you have said the court of inquiry. Who will be instigating this court of inquiry? Will it be the Army, the union, or union home ministry?
That is Army. Army court.
Yeah, the Army court.
The Army court will submit their report, as well as the state SIT will submit their report. So MHA will examine both the report and find out the truth.
And point number 3, you have said the Nagaland delegation impressed upon the Home Minister to replace the Assam Rifles unit in Mon with immediate effect.
Yeah.
What was the response from Shah?
Positive.
It will be done.
So that means, the police will replace the Assam Rifles there? Or
Assam Rifle order unit will come.
what difference will it make?
The people will go who are posted presently. They will go, the other unit will come. They will be replaced by another unit.
So which means the present Assam Rifle outpost which is posted there in Moon
The post will be there.
will be there, but the battalion will be removed.
Yes.
A new battalion will come.
The unit.
So which means the old battalion which has been stationed in Moon has something in related with this voting firing?
No, that is the demand of the civil societies.
Demand of people.
Coming back to ASPA, if at all, basing on the inquiries, commissions and all, ASPA is removed from the state, it's not to undermine the state government's capability, but will the state government be able to handle the law and order situation of...
That is the demand of the civil societies, the public. And therefore the state forces has to handle the law and order situation.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.
I have one question.
Last one.
Yeah, my question is to our Honorable Deputy Singh. My question is that we all know now that the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is doing the eviction drive near the border, mostly that affecting Dimapur area. they have started their eviction drive in Tutukan colony nearby Neiphiu Rio, saying that there are a lot of illegal activities is going on, whereas the individuals who are residing there, they don't have proper documents. So during the eviction drive in Tutukan colony by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along with the Assam government and paramilitary forces, that 21 Naga households will also compare to lost their house. That's one. Secondly, on Balijan area, that's bordering LRC colony and Nudun Busti, Porlingri, Mohan Busti, Aoyamson, and connecting Dilaget, that is Mangiman area. So, sir, are you aware of those eviction? And then people are panicking. We know that it is beyond our border, that's in Assam. But most of the area being occupied by the Nagas. So, sir, did the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council have aware our state government also, or what are the procedures that our Home Department is also doing in regard with this eviction?
Yeah, in regard to this eviction, we have deployed ASP, CP Dimapur and DC Dimapur. They are on the job. Let us wait for their report.
Okay, don't mix up. Thank you.
As far as border issue is going to be